Hello everyone, hello students. Today I am going to discuss increment and decrement operator. In this video I will discuss increment decrement operator and ternary operator. These two operators are left, so today in this video I will try to finish these two operators. Okay, so you can see on the screen I have written this definition. Increment operator increases the value of its operand by 1. Means whether you are writing a plus plus, this plus plus is increment operator and this minus minus is called decrement operator. So if you are writing a plus plus or you are writing plus plus a, in both the cases the value of a will increase by 1. दोनों केस में a की वैल्यू 1 से इंक्रीज होगी, whether you are writing a plus plus or you are writing plus plus a. In both the cases the value of a will increase by 1, means it will be equivalent to this. Means consider the value of a is 5. So a plus 1, 5 plus 1 will be what? 6, and that will be stored into a itself. So the value of a will be changed. It will be what now? 6. Okay, a की value change हो जाएगी. So this operator do the same thing. It increase the value of its operand by 1. Okay, like that decrement operator also do the same thing, but it decreases the value. So here the value decrement operator decreases the value of its operand by 1. Okay, same thing whether you are writing a minus minus or you are writing minus minus a. In both the cases the value of a will be decreased by 1. Okay, so here I am saying that if I am writing a plus plus or I am writing plus plus a, in both the cases the value of a will increase by 1, means both are similar, but कुछ तो difference होगा. हम here we are writing, here a is operand, for this a is operand and this plus plus is what? Operator. Here also you can see this plus plus is what? Operator, and this a is what? Operand. So in both the cases this operator increases the value of its operand by 1. So if you are writing after the operand or we are writing before the operand, both are similar, but कुछ तो difference होगा. So that difference I am going to discuss with you. First of all, this a plus plus, here we are writing this plus plus after the operands. Here we are writing the plus plus operator after the operand. So this is called postfix increment operator. Postfix increment operator. And if you are writing before the operands like this is called prefix increment operator. So first difference, their names obvious. So in prefix and postfix, if we are writing after the operands, this is postfix operand, postfix increment operator, and if you are writing before the operands, it is called prefix increment operator. This is the first difference. And second difference is what I will explain with the example. Two example, same example I will write with the prefix, and same example I will write with the postfix, and then I will clear the differences between them. Okay, so let's start. So you can see this example I have written on the screen. Please go through this. In this example I have used this prefix operator, prefix increment operator, and the same example I will take with the postfix. So first I'm going to discuss this one. Please listen carefully. You can see the initial value of a is what? 5. The value of a is what? 5. Okay, and here I'm using plus plus prefix increment operator. Prefix increment operator. So what will happen? The value of a, what is the value of a? 5 will increase first. पहले a की value बढ़ेगी. So the value of a will become 6. And after increasing, when the value of a will be increased by 1, it will be what now? 6. And after increasing, it will be put in the expression 6 plus 2 will be equal to 8. Okay, this is one example. Same example I am going to write with the postfix, and then I will clear the differences. Now see another example I have written, and here I am using postfix operator, postfix increment operator. Okay, so listen, the same example you can see I have written same example, but instead of prefix here I am using postfix. So listen, the value of a is what? Same. I have taken same 5, and you can see here we have postfix operator. So the value of a will not increase first, it will be increased afterwards. First, the current value of a, which is 5, that will be put in the expression. And after putting, just after putting the current value of a, the value of a will be increased by 1. If you are using postfix operator, वैल्यू पहले रखी जाएगी तब इंक्रीज होगी, पहले इंक्रीमेंट नहीं होगा, पहले वैल्यू रखी जाएगी. द करेंट वैल्यू विल बी पुट, आफ्टर दैट इट विल बी इंक्रीज्ड बाय 1 plus 2. It will be what now? 7. Okay, so I want to tell you there is only two lines concept is there. If you are thinking about third line, then it will be confusing for you. Only दो line का, सिर्फ दो line का concept है. Let me explain. If you are using prefix operator, in this case first increase then put the value, पहले रखो, पहले बढ़ाओ फिर रखो एक्सप्रेशन में. ओके, एंड केस ऑफ postfix रखो फिर बढ़ाओ. ओके, आई एम टेलिंग अगेन, इन केस ऑफ प्रीफिक्स पहले वैल्यू बढ़ाओ तब रखो, इन केस ऑफ postfix रखो फिर बढ़ाओ. Again I am repeating, in case of prefix increase then put in the expression, in case of postfix put then increase. सिर्फ दो लाइन का कॉन्सेप्ट है that I am going to write. So for prefix the rule is what? Increase then put. Where to put? In the expression. In case of postfix put then increase. यहाँ देखो हमने a की वैल्यू पहले बढ़ाई है. Now it is what? 5 थी 6 हो गई. After increasing the value of a, we are putting in the expression. पहले a की वैल्यू बढ़ा लिया तब एक्सप्रेशन में रखा. यहाँ पे postfix था, so that will work afterwards. इंक्रीमेंट बाद में होगा, पहले वैल्यू रखी जाएगी. The current value was 5, so we are putting that. After putting, just after putting, a की वैल्यू बढ़ेगी. a की वैल्यू पहले नहीं बढ़ेगी, बाद में बढ़ेगी. So you can see what is the difference, that in case of prefix we are increasing then putting in the expression. In case of postfix we are putting then increasing. Okay, this is the difference. But you can see in both the cases, in both the example, you can see the value of a has become 5 to 6. दोनों केस में a की वैल्यू 5 से 6 हो गई है. You can see this. Means what? This statement कि a plus plus लिखो और plus plus a लिखो. If you are writing plus plus a or a plus plus, in both the cases the value of a will increase by 1. It is true. वो अपने ऑपरेंड की वैल्यू को बढ़ाएगा, चाहे प्लस प्लस ए लिखो चाहे ए प्लस प्लस लिखो. लेकिन अब डिफरेंस ये आता है कि पहले बढ़ाएगा कि बाद में बढ़ाएगा, वैल्यू बढ़नी है. ओके, सो इट विल इंक्रीज वेदर इट इज बिफोर और आफ्टरवर्ड्स. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर इंक्रीजेज द वैल्यू ऑफ इट्स ऑपरेंड बाय 1 वेदर यू आर राइटिंग as a prefix or you're using postfix. दोनों केस में ऑपरेंड की वैल्यू 1 से इंक्रीज हो रही है. You can see in the example also. But difference is what? इंक्रीमेंट तो होना ही होना है, बट पहले या बाद में, बस ये डिफरेंस आता है. So I hope it is clear to all. This is about increment and decrement operators. Few numeric means few output questions I will discuss in separate video for this increment decrement operator. 2 or 3 examples I will explain and you can go through that. Now next operator I am going to discuss is ternary operator. That will be last operator and token, last token. Operator last token था और operator का ये last operator होगा. Listen, ternary operator means the operator which require 3 operands. The operator which requires 3 operands is called ternary operator. Okay. Means before this I will discuss after this. There are two more categories of operators: unary operator and binary operator. Unary operators are those which require only one operand. Binary operators are those which require two operands. Okay, and here ternary operator, there is only one ternary operator which requires three operands. Okay, so here we can write ternary operator requires how many? Three operands. Okay, full stop. The general syntax I'm writing here, the general syntax you can write with me if you want. The general syntax of ternary operator is, I'm going to write the syntax. Syntax का मतलब general format. Huh? So syntax is here. Syntax. Syntax means general format of anything. Syntax. Okay. Here it is. We used to write var. Here var for variable equal to expression 1 question mark, expression 2 colon, then expression 3 semicolon. Okay, this is the syntax general format of ternary operator. You can see it is requiring three operands. This was expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Okay. So I'm going to explain with the example. See this example I have written on the screen. Int a equal to 5, b equal to 2. Okay. So you can see in the syntax, expression 1, I'm comparing with the syntax. C is the var for variable as I told. So here C is the variable, you can see. And here A is greater than B. Expression 1 will always be a condition, which result will be the true or false. This result either true आएगा या false आएगा. So expression 1 will always be a condition. Okay. And if the result of this condition is true, then whatever we have written after question mark will be evaluated. जो भी हमने question mark के बाद लिखा वो evaluate होगा, calculate होगा. And if this condition is false, then whatever we have written after the colon के बाद जो हमने लिखा वो evaluate होगा, execute होगा. So you can see here this condition is true. The value of A is 5, the value of B is 2, so condition is true. So what will happen? This what we have written after the question mark will be evaluated. So 5 minus 2, that will be 3 and will be stored, that 3 will be stored into variable C. So the value of C will be what? 3. Okay. So this is the example. So generally what happens, the expression 1 will always be a condition, इसका result true या false आएगा. अगर ये true है तो this part, if it is false then this part, either one, दोनों में से कोई एक होगा. It depending upon the condition whether it is true or false. Okay. So this is the example and explanation of the ternary operator. And if you know something about if else, this is equivalent to, I will discuss it later when I will teach if else statement. This is equivalent to if A is greater than B, then C equal to A minus B, else C equal to B minus A. So this is equivalent to if else. I am not going to discuss in details because I have not taught if else statement yet. But but if you know if else statement, you can understand this ternary operator is alternate of if else statement. Okay, instead of if else statement, ternary operator can be used. Okay, so this is all about ternary operator. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all. Any confusion, any doubt, you can post in the comment section. And one video, separate video, I will make for increment and decrement operators example. Okay, and one more thing about unary and binary operator that I'm going to discuss here. Other than ternary operator, there are two more categories. Please, I'm going to discuss, it will take less time. Unary operator. Unary operators, as I told, unary operators are those which require only one operand. Okay, unary operators are those which require only one operand. So you can see I have written here unary operators and binary operators. These are two categories of operators on the basis of number of operators required by the number of operands required by the operator. On the basis of number of operands required by the operator, we can categorize in two categories. First is unary operator and second is binary operator. Okay. So unary operators which require only one operand. For example, just I've taught increment and decrement operators are unary operators. As you have seen that they are requiring only one operand. सिर्फ एक operand required. Okay, a minus minus. It is requiring only one operand. Okay, and logical not, if you remember, logical not also required only one. So here this a is greater than b. This is the operand for not. Okay, so not also requires only one operand. For greater than a and b are the operands. For greater than symbol, this a and b are the operands, means it is requiring two operands. So this is binary operator. But this not is requiring not a is greater than b. So for not, this is the operand. A is greater than b का जो भी result आएगा, मान लो false आएगा, तो not will make it true. This I have taught already. So not is an unary operator. For not, this is an operand. Okay. So those operators which require only one operand are called unary operator, and binary operator those which require two operands. There are many examples of binary operators: plus, addition, subtraction, greater than, less than, sub binary operator. Plus it is requiring two operands. A is greater than b, it is requiring two operands. So all are the examples. Most of the examples are of binary operators. So unary operators, binary operators are many, but ternary operators सिर्फ एक ही है, ध्यान रखना. There are many unary operators, there are many binary operators, but ternary operator is only one. तो उस operator का नाम ही ternary operator रख दिया गया. Okay. So here for example, binary operators example बहुत से हैं. से हमने लिख दिया plus, sorry. So this plus, minus, greater than, okay, or this logical and, okay, etc. Many examples are there. I have taught everything. You can see they requires two operands. So for this video, this much only. Next video I will prepare for the examples of examples of increment decrement operator. Output वाले question discuss करेंगे. So for this video, this much only. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Thank you.